Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, Python Scripting for Linux Automation, a comprehensive tutorial. Introduction. Linux automation using Python scripts can significantly enhance efficiency and streamline repetitive tasks. In this tutorial, we'll cover the basics of creating Python scripts for automating common Linux tasks. We'll explore essential concepts and provide practical examples to get you started on your automation journey. Prerequisites. Section 1, Setting up your environment. Before diving into scripting, ensure you have Python installed. You can check by running. If Python is not installed, use your package manager to install it. Section 2, Understanding shebang, hashtag. The shebang line is crucial for telling the system which interpreter should be used to execute the script. Add the following line at the beginning of your Python script. Section 3, Creating your first script. Let's start with a simple script that prints hello, Linux automation, to the terminal. Save the script with a .py extension, example hello_automation.py, and make it executable. Run the script. Section 4, Working with files and directories. Automate file and directory operations with Python. Here's an example that lists files in a directory. Section 5, Interacting with the system. Execute Linux commands from within Python using the subprocess module. Here's an example that runs the ls command. Section 6, Automation with cron. Schedule your Python scripts using cron for recurring tasks. Open the cron tab editor. Add a line to run your script daily at a specific time. Save and exit the editor. Conclusion. This tutorial provides a foundation for Linux automation using Python scripts. Experiment with the provided examples and explore additional libraries and modules.